Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So it's been a while since I've done a Macy's order. And I think the reason for that is that when I go into my Macy's store, it's a complete disaster and it really turns me off. And I just like nicer name brands, and in store, they just seem to have their own Macy's name brands. And what had happened is, what started it is I saw this vest, a sweater vest, on Stitch Fix. And it was by Sanctuary, and name brand is probably one of my favorite name brands. I have to say, Sanctuary, Cut, and Liverpool are probably my three top name brands. And I saw it, and I wanted it on Stitch Fix, and it was, now you see it, now you don't. It literally went out of inventory before I blinked. So then I said, okay, well, where else can I get Sanctuary from? So I first looked at Nordstrom, and they had it, and it was at full price, just as it was like at Stitch Fix. It was $59. But then I thought, maybe Macy's might have it. Maybe I have some Macy's cash, right? Star rewards. Well, I did have coupons at Macy's, not rewards, but I did have coupons at Macy's, and lo and behold, they had it. Now, before I show you this haul, I have to forewarn you that I'm going through a neutral phase right now. Yeah, the sweater I'm wearing right now is not quite neutral, but I'm having a thing for neutrals now. I'm having a little obsession with them, so I don't want you to get too like, oh my God, Carolyn, all right? So I'm just warning you. My stuff here is all pretty neutral, but they're all different from each other. All right, so enough of that. Let me show you what I've got, and I'll sell these in a bit. And first up is the vest that I saw, and you're gonna be like, it's boring, Carolyn. It's just a black and white striped sweater vest. Well, I love it, all right? So it's a creamy background with the black stripe, banded bottom. It does look a little loose. I got this in my normal size, extra small. The full price is $59, but I did have a coupon. I think I got it for $47.20. I'll give you my links below. 100% cotton. It seems very well made. Yeah, I'm gonna try this on and style it, and you guys can let me know if you like it. All right, up next, something else quite boring, is this 100% cotton sweater. All right, so it has the split V-neck with the rounded collar. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, it has it's not really, it has like a barely banded cuff, and same down at the bottom. It does seem like a looser, boxier fit. Really well made, also 100%, really, I'm pretty sure it's 100% cotton before I lie to you. I'm almost positive it is. Yes, 100% cotton, really well made, nice quality. Yes, I have other beige color sweaters. One's a thick wool fisherman style. Another one's like a darker beige cashmere. Another one is like a toffee colored cashmere with a collar. And another one is 100% cotton one, but it's like that open weave that I got from Loft, also with the collar. But I don't have anything quite like this. I love it. I'm gonna try it on, and we're gonna see how these fit me, because that's gonna be the deciding factor. I don't mind a more loose, relaxed fit, but I don't like things to be oversized and boxy and swallow me up. So we'll have to see how it fits. So then I kind of looked further. I said, what else in Sanctuary can I get? So then this one came up, and I was actually looking for something like this, all right? This is mesh. So this one is 100% polyester. So mesh is like having a day now, and I do like it because it's just different. You know, I like texture, I like different, I like to mix things up and not have the same thing in my wardrobe. So it has this little mock neck style, which you guys know I love. It's sleeveless, you should know I love those, so it's a layer. And I like the fact that it's mesh because it's texture. And it is double lined. We'll have to see, it still seems a little bit see-through, so I'll have to see how see-through it is with the bra on. But yeah, I'm looking forward to styling this. So give me a minute and I will do a little fashion show for you. Okay, first up, I styled the sweater, all right? I'm gonna show it to you how I plan to wear it, but I will pull it out and unroll the sleeves so you can see the length. I decided to wear it with my Sanctuary off-white ecru skirt to keep it neutral. Paired this White House Black Market neutral color belt with it. I don't know how I live my life without it. And I'm wearing my tall Dolce Vita boots, which I got last year. And yes, this is an absolute outfit that I would wear working from home, on the weekend, etc. Love it. Sweater's a keeper. So really nice quality. And it's regularly $59, and like I said, I got it for $47.20 with my coupon. I think a very, very fair price for this sweater. So let me show you the length of the sleeves and how they look. They're not too long if I unroll them, but they are a looser sleeve, okay? Just so you know that. So it's not too long, comes right to my arm, and this is my normal size, extra small, but I think I would roll it to give it that more casual, like relaxed look. And the length, obviously you can see it's not too long either because I was able to tuck it in, but it's not cropped either. It just basically comes to your hips, all right? So definitely beautiful sweater, beautiful quality. Macy's, you know, who'd have thought, all right? So I guess don't, you know, always check out Macy's because they do have some of the nicer name brands there if you are into that, or if this is still too expensive for you, when you're out thrifting, when you're out on Poshmark, when you are looking for sales, look for the name brand Sanctuary. It's really a nice quality, and yeah, it's a little bit pricier, but I do think that the price matches the quality of this brand. Okay, give me a minute and I'll try and style the next piece for you. Okay, up next is the mock neck shell top. It is a little bit see-through, but since I'm gonna be wearing something over it, I think it's okay, but I will look back at the footage to see. I believe this was regularly, instead of $59, I believe this one was $49, and I think I got it for $37.20 if I'm not mistaken. Like I said, I had a coupon. Yeah, so it is half mock neck, it is sleeveless, all right, I'll show you how it fits. The arms seem to fit really well, as usually works with Sanctuary. And yes, you can see my bra through it. I am wearing a nude bra. Let me know how much bad you think it is. It is double lined, and it would not be something I would wear a cami under. Like the material, it's mesh, but it's a nice, soft, comfortable mesh. And with it, I paired the same belt I was wearing before. I don't know how I live my life without this belt. Highly recommend it, White House Black Market. And I also got the belt on sale. I think I paid like $27 for it. And the jeans are Cosmic Blue Love. They're just a basic straight leg that I got from Stitch Fix, extremely comfortable. And I paired on my Sanctuary shoes with this. And the jacket is White House Black Market. The color is called Sepia, and I think I got it last year. And yeah, this is how I would wear this little top. And I think this is a great fall outfit, and this is exactly my style. So that is it for this top. Give me a minute and I'll style the sweater vest. Up next is the sweater vest. I gave this a sporty casual look. I'll show you how it fits. You can see that it does not show my bra at all. It has a V-neck. It doesn't show cleavage at all. On this side, it's good as well. It's obviously very bra friendly, 100% cotton, $59 on sale with my coupon, $47.20. I paired it with this Sanctuary skirt. Obviously, I like that name brand Sanctuary, as you can see. It's just a very casual utilitarian pocket skirt. I think I got this last year or the year before. I don't remember where I got it from. Could have been Macy's, could have been Stitch Fix, could have been Nordstrom. And with it, I paired my Dolce Vita crochet looking sneakers. And yeah, this is a casual outfit that I'd either wear working from home or on the weekend. And honestly, I can even wear this now. It doesn't have to wait till the weather cools down because it is very lightweight and breathable. I'll take the top out so you can see the length. It does have the banded bottom. All right, so you can wear it out like this, or I prefer to give it a little bit of a front tuck because I just think it looks a little more put together. And yes, so 3 winners. So don't forget about Macy's. You know, you might see something at Nordstrom, and I did see this at Nordstrom, but I said, yeah, it's full price. I don't have any rewards. There were no coupons. It wasn't part of the anniversary sale. Hopped over to Macy's, and lo and behold, I had coupons. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Give me that thumbs up and hang around and stick tight for my neutral journey. Until next time.